bridge, heading over to LBI. Doesn't look too bad over here yet. I just hope I can get over the first couple of streets where the flooding usually occurs. If I can get through that, I can get to the beach, which will be high and dry. And next step is to get onto the beach to see if we have all that beach erosion from that northeaster that we had yesterday. So we'll see what happens. All right, I'll turn the camera back on when I get over there. Well, we made it over here. No problem getting on the beach. Did not get any of the flooding that I thought we might have. But it is beautiful over here. Look at this. Beautiful snow. Someone else has already been here. I'm not the only one on the beach today. A lot of footprints. Maybe the dog walkers. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm going to go down there and check the beach out. And see if we have all that beach erosion that everybody was talking about. So, all right. It's beautiful over here. It's not that cold. I don't think it's that cold yet, but we'll see. All right. Let's get to it. All right. We're down here on the beach. Most of this beach is all free of snow, just from the wind blowing, taking it off the beach. But look at this cut. We got a good 4 foot cut. Plenty of beach to metal detect. So, all right, let's get to it. Yeah, I'm out of here. I'm going to a different beach. No question about it. It's not bad with that sun shining. Got a little bit of a west wind blowing, knocking some of these waves down, but very, very disappointed here. All right, we've got our first target here. 17, 18. It's out now. Let's see what we have here. 18. See something down there. I don't know what that is. Something shiny. Ah. All that digging for a piece of aluminum. Did I put you in a video? Look at you. Did you go through all that thick snow, did you? How did you come down?
I came down Friday.
I mean, down to the beach here. What path?
Right here. I live on 11th Street.
Oh, so you come down 11th Street?
Yeah.
I come down 10th Street.
Yeah.
And I had some snow up to my waist. I fell down. I had to dig myself out.
Yeah, well, the kids tamped this path down.
All right, we made it down here to 10th Street to Barnaget. Not a lot of beach erosion. I don't know what we're going to find over here, but I'm here now. It took me a long time to trudge through the deep snow to get over here. So while I'm here, let's give it a shot. I'll turn the camera on if I find my first target. First target. $12, $13. It's out. I don't know what that is. Looks like a piece of a brass spacer that might go in between fishing for a fishing rig. All right, let's put it in the back. All right, we've got a 910 here. My heated glove. Put it on when my hand gets cold. Where are you? Yeah, it looks like Looks like it's another one of those spacers. All right, let's put it in the bag. Hope find something good today. Have not been doing too good lately on jewelry. Not taking it. Good signal, 28. There it is. Small piece of copper. All right, let's put it in the bag. Keep going. $18.20. Oh, sinker with a swivel on it. That's what it is. 12.13 right here, right next to the other one. Right next to the last target I dug. It's out. Could be a nickel. I think I see it. Come on up. That's a nickel. All right, let's put it in the bag. Keep going. Camera's still running. Getting targets, which is good. $29.30, quarter. Let's dig it. Looks like I might have found the area where everything is hiding. All right, little greenie, copper edges. Put in the bag. Put in the bag. Big chunk of something. Looks like brass. Let's put in the bag. Big chunk of something. Looks like. Oh yeah. Pretty neat. Eyes are still intact. Yeah, might be able to rework this one. That's great. Let's put more. Oh yeah. Pretty neat. Eyes are still intact. Yeah, might be able to rework this one. That's great. Let's put it out. 18, 17. Ah, another piece of copper like I found before. Look at that. Really strange. Looks like it's got something to be crimped on something. It's a little thing. Well, we have plenty of targets to take, that's for sure. Just trying to take the correct ones. It's like a bullet. It's like a piece of junk metal. Let's put in the bag. Here's the 20 right here. Here comes the water. Come on back. Ground fishing weight. That's what it is. Got a lot of targets with the camera that were off. Trying to save the battery. There it is. Put it in the bag. Keep going. Oh yeah, it's a dime. Alright, let's put it in the bag. Oh yeah, it's a dime. Alright, let's put it in the bag. No, it's jewelry. It's a shell. Ah, first piece of jewelry. How about that? Pretty too. Might be silver. Sterling. No, I see copper coming through. All right, costume. Nice little shell. Let's put it in the bag. Keep digging. Big piece of metal. Let's put in the bag. Get off the beach. We've been over here, I guess, for about an hour and 20 minutes and non-stop digging. Only found one piece of jewelry, some coins, a lot of fishing gear, fishing weights, a lot of trash. But so far, this beach has not disappointed me yet. So let's just keep digging. Uh, like I said, we're over in Ship Bottom this morning. Spent about an hour over, not even an hour, half an hour over there. We didn't get anything but one piece of trash. So it's not a bad day. It's a little bit chilly, but it's not that bad. The sun is nice and bright, and it warms everything up. So I'm going to keep digging here for about another hour, then I'll call it quits. So let's get back to digging. Piece of lead. Put in the bag.
O'Neill.
What do you got there?
Some clam shells, maybe a piece of coral. I'm not sure.
Oh, you found all this on the beach, huh?
Yeah, there's a ton of shells in the little cove up there.
Wow, that's great.
Some conch shells, and some kind of some kind of a whale bone or some.
Oh yeah, I see that.
I don't think it's from a cow or anything. It's too short and thick.
Yeah.
But I got to look it up when I get home and figure it out.
They buried a whale down there earlier this year.
I forgot about that. Maybe it's from that.
Could be. Good dime. All right, let's put it in the bag. Well, that's it. I'm done for the day. Had a pretty good hunt over here. Got quite a few coins and fishing gear and exercise. For being such a cold day today, it really was not that bad on the beach. So I'll see you back at the wrap up. All right, heading back to the car. Some of the snow over here is pretty deep. Some of this gear that I have on, get comfortable for the trip home, and be a time to watch some of the football game. See Kansas City, and let's see who they're paying for 49ers, I think. All right. No, the Bengals. That's it, the Bengals. All right, see you at the house. What a day at the beach. Trudging through that snow and Ship Bottom. What a waste of time that was. That beach had very little beach erosion. I found one little piece of aluminum, and that was it. And I also met somebody else on the beach that was metal detecting before I got there, and we both said the same thing. Very, very disappointing. So he left. I left. I went over to Barnaget Light Beach, which is my favorite beach over there to hunt, especially when you get a good beach erosion. And this is what I got. I did really good over there today. Only problem was it's such a long walk to get to the beach from where you park your car. And some places you had over 3 feet of snow in it. So it did take some time to get over there. Anyway, I'm not complaining. Let's take a look at what we have here. We've got a lot of gray matters, some sinkers. Well, this is all lead. This nice little fishing lure. I found quite a few of these here on the beach over the years. And this one too, you find a lot of these. It's been down a long time. All the chrome is off of it. It's down to the bare metal, which means that it's been rolling around in the sand for a long time. No doubt. And over here, that piece of aluminum. Screws. Find a lot of these. I believe this here is a piece of a fishing reel handle. Junk. And this piece here, I thought that was a bullet when I first saw it, but it got a hole on the end. It's just part of a spray nozzle tip, that's what it is. And this here is the tip of a long spike that's used in decking in ships, the earlier ships, 1800s, late 17s. And usually this is about 7 or 8 inches long. Every now and then I find them over there, and I find them in one piece. All right, we got nickels. Rather, we got quarters. We got what we got here? One, two, $3.25 worth. We have some nickels, and we have dimes. Dimes started to be very slow. Then near the end of the day, I really started finding them in a different section of the beach. I started climbing up the beach a little bit and away from the white water, and then I found the dimes. These here down near the whitewater area. And these little guys, these are used in spacers for fishing rigs when you make your own. I found a lot of these on the beach. Piece of metal. This here I thought, didn't know what really quite what to make of it. It almost looks like a nugget, gold nugget. But I believe it's copper. I'll have to test it out a little bit later. And no electrical connector. And this piece here. That's the only jewelry that I found all day today. A little seashell. Got a little break up here on the end. A little copper coming through it, so little custom jewelry. Anyway, that's it. I had a really good time over there. Weather forecast said it was going to be very cold. It was 17 degrees when I left the house. I got to the beach, it was a little bit warmer. But that sun was so bright bouncing off that water and the sand. I'll tell you what, I almost didn't need to have my glove on. And I had it off most of the time when I was working the camera. It's a heated glove, by the way, and I use it when it's very, very windy out and I'm digging in the wet and the glove gets wet. This one's waterproof. Got a heater in it. It's got batteries in it, rather, and it really works well. It's just clumsy to use, so if I can do without it, I take it off. Anyway, that's what we did today. I'm really glad I went out. So I want to thank everybody for coming along and watching the video, and if you can, please hit the like button, a share, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I really appreciate it. It helps it grow. Anyway, we'll see you on the next hunt.